Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Pillsbury croissants. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully open the can of Pillsbury crescent roll dough. Unroll the dough completely onto a clean, dry surface. You'll see the dough is already pre-cut into triangles, making preparation super simple. This is the foundation for perfect, flaky croissants. Now, let's shape them. Take each dough triangle and begin rolling it from the wide end. Roll it tightly towards the narrow point. Once rolled, gently curve the ends inward to create that classic crescent shape. This simple technique ensures a beautiful, traditional croissant look and feel. It's quick and easy for everyone. Next, it's time to bake. Arrange your shaped croissants about 2 inches apart on an ungreased baking sheet. Place them in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Keep an eye on them to achieve that perfect, flaky texture. Once baked, remove your delicious croissants from the oven. For the best experience, serve them warm. You can enjoy them plain, or enhance them with a spread of butter, your favorite jam, or even a rich chocolate spread. These Pillsbury croissants are perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.